Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Albert, and today we'll discuss about getting data from a folder with multiple Excel files, and I'm going to show you the most easy way to do it. And this method will be very stable because you will avoid a lot of future issues that may appear in the most common way of getting data from folders. So I'm going to show you what I mean by that. So the common approach is to connect to a folder, and then you'll be approached. You'll just get by default these steps, these queries, helper queries, and that will include a parameter, a sample file, a transform file, function, and the transform of sample file, and eventually the data stacked below from our folder. And dealing with all of this, depending how we set the parameter, it could be that you'll encounter some issues. And to avoid this, I'm going to show you another way. So the other way is like this. We go get data, click more, connect to folder. Until here both methods have the same approach. I will choose the path to my folder, click OK. We click transform data, we have our 4 tables there. So I'm gonna just delete this one. I just forgot about it. So this is our file. So until here everything is same approach, same way. The first option that I don't recommend is this one, to click and extend everything and then being prompted with helper queries. The other way that I want to propose to show you is just to click on this column or any of these columns and just go to add the column, custom column, and here we will say extract data, and we will say Excel workbook, a very simple function which will pull out our tables, our Excel files from the first column binary, and we will of course drag our content column and click insert, close parentheses, and that's it, no syntax errors. Click OK. And now we can see that we have a new column which just defined it. We click on it to remove other columns because we don't need it. And now if I click on each item, each table, we see that we have 2 items. We need only the tables, table sheet, so we'll expand this. We'll uncheck this button, click OK. We will filter, of course, only our tables. Okay, so our tables now are here. You can see it in the data column. If I click on the item, we can see here that my data, because it's not a converted table, it's just a data in an Excel file. I have this issue now being shifted down in 2 lines. So what we want to do is to just bring our headers, table headers up here in the first row. So for that we need to use a simple function, table promote headers. We will use it two times and everything will be lifted up. And to do that we follow the same approach. So let's say that we want to remove the other columns, keep on the data, add column again, and now we want to promote headers. Let's say promote headers, and then we say table dot promote headers. We'll insert data. Pay attention here. As you can see, when I row, choose the formula. I already also written down table, so this I have to delete it, close parentheses, open and close, of course, open, close, click OK, and we have a new column. We'll remove the other one, remove other column. If we click now, we see that we have lifted up one row. Now we can do similarly the last step, and for that we also can go here. If you don't want to do it formally, you can just transform everything and just try to lift them up. But I think this is here is more easy to do like that. So promote step 2, and then let's write. Let's choose table. Parentheses, click insert promote headers, because that's our own column. With tables, click OK. We'll remove the other one, and now we should have data arranged. Everything is fine. We can expand now our data. Click OK, and everything is here. So next step, of course, we need to format our data. And that will be everything. In case that the folder will be moved from its initial location, we can just click on View, Advanced Editor. We can just delete this path, the whole path, and just paste the new one. And doing that, everything will be up to date. Okay, so now if I close this and apply, for example, if we go in our folder and we add a new table, let's say table number 5, data will be grabbed automatically when we will refresh it. Let's say table number 5, and just for exercise, let's open it and add some new lines here. Yes, we can add some lines, but we also need to change dates, so I'm gonna change this to, let's say, 8/21. Now I'm gonna paste, just for exercise, everything same, and lastly I'm gonna copy and paste the last column, same data. I want to show you that sometimes people may do mistakes and just putting they can just duplicate some data by mistake. So how we can avoid this and clean this, I'm going to show you also. And let's save this one, and if we go back in transform data, and now we refresh everything. Let's refresh it. We should get the last file uploaded. And there is a problem, table 5 by another process. I think it's open it, right? Let's close it and refresh again. Yeah, it should have been converted. Now everything is fine. Now if I click here, we can see that the last line is similar. If I add a new step here and say I select everything, all out of my columns from our file, and I click the right button and say remove duplicates, you will see that here I have a new step which will be performed automatically, and every time when I upload something or I refresh something, all duplicates will be removed, and we can just that's the way we can automatically get rid of duplicated data. I hope this video was useful, and if you like it, please subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.